If you're ready to upgrade your car's sound system, a 4-channel amplifier is the foundation for clean power and precise audio. Let's explore the best options available right now. Starting the list is the Pioneer DX874, a compact Class D amplifier that combines power, efficiency, and stunning audio clarity. This amp pushes out 100 watts RMS to each of 4 channels at 4 ohms, and up to 150 watts per channel at 2 ohm. It also bridges easily to deliver 300 watts to 2 channels if you're powering larger speakers or subs. Its clean design features gold-plated terminals and a brushed aluminum body, but the real standout is the sound. Tight, clear, and distortion-free, even at high volumes. It's also designed to run cool with a high-speed MOSFET power supply and built-in thermal protection. Whether you're building a high-end component system or simply want your door speakers to shine, the GM-DX874 delivers the performance without taking up much space. Next, we have the Recoil DI1200-4, a full-range Class D amplifier known for its incredible power-to-price ratio. This unit delivers 210 watts RMS to 4 channels at 4 ohms, 300 watts at 2 ohms, and can be bridged to pump out a massive 610 watts per channel. It's built around a robust MOSFET power supply and offers full protection circuitry, making it reliable for long drives and heavy use. Reviewers often refer to it as a budget monster, delivering more clean power than amplifiers twice its price. With a compact footprint and excellent thermal management, it's an ideal choice for mid-bass heavy builds or full-range speaker setups that demand high wattage. If you're seeking maximum output without stretching your budget, the DI1200-4 is easily one of the best value amplifiers on the market today. For a compact yet capable solution, the Taramps TS 400x4 is another standout. It offers 400 watts of total RMS power and can be bridged or run in full range mode depending on your configuration. Despite its small size, it's capable of powering everything from coaxial speakers to dedicated tweeters or mids. It includes variable high-pass and low-pass filters, allowing you to fine-tune the soundstage across your system. Known for its rugged durability and thermal efficiency, the TS 400x4 is a favorite among entry-level and advanced installers alike. Its simplicity and reliability make it a great option if you want a no-fuss amplifier that still delivers consistent performance. Now let's talk about Alpine's SA32F, a 4-channel Class D amplifier with the brand's signature precision and build quality. It's rated at 55 watts RMS at 4 ohms and 80 watts at 2 ohms, with bridgeable options for 160 watts X2. The SA32F is ideal for Alpine component systems or factory speaker upgrades where space is limited, but clarity is essential. It features thermal management, crossovers, and low-level inputs, and its compact size makes installation flexible. Alpine has long been respected for its high-fidelity audio products, and the SA32F lives up to that reputation. If you're building a balanced audio system with Alpine speakers or want a reliable amp to power door and dash drivers, this unit offers both performance and peace of mind. Finally, we have the Kicker 46 CXA 3604, a Class D full-range amplifier designed for pure sound with minimal distortion. It offers 90 watts RMS to 4 channels at 2 ohms and can be bridged to deliver even more power to high-performance speakers or a pair of subwoofers. It features Kicker's FIT Plus fail-safe integration technology, making it compatible with nearly any factory or aftermarket head unit without needing additional converters. Known for consistent output and long-lasting performance, this amp is a solid choice for those who want Kicker's reliability and clean sound in a compact. Whether you're running a 4-speaker setup or planning to bridge channels for higher output, the CXA 3604 is engineered to meet high-performance demands.